Hello students, now we are going to discuss case study which is given in your NCERT book. Very first case study that is in your NCERT book. Company X is facing a lot of problems these days. It manufactures white goods like washing machine, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioner. The company's margin are under pressure and the profit and the market share are declining. The production department blamed marketing for not meeting sales target, and marketing blame production department for producing goods which are not of good quality, meeting customers' expectations. The finance department blame, you can see a student, every department blame each other. So what quality of management do you think the company is lacking? Explain briefly what steps should the company management take to bring the company back on track. Now, let us discuss this question. We are only going to discuss this thing. The answer is not going to flash on your screen. Okay, students. Now, the thing is that the very first question, the very first question, that is, what quality of management do you think the company is lacking? The answer is coordination. We have done coordination, but coordination is missing. Then the second part of this case study, explain briefly what steps, explain briefly, so you have to explain what is coordination. Then we come to the next part, what steps should the company management take to bring the company back on track? The steps company should take to bring the company back on track, number of things company can do. Say for example, the very first thing the company can do, harmonize individual's goal with organization's goal. There is a need to unify efforts in common direction, otherwise the organization objective is not going to achieve. Secondly, create balance between all the departments, as all the departments are interrelated and interdependent. Thirdly, reconcile differences in approach of different individuals, because conflicting efforts may cause damage to organization. Fourthly, integrate the efforts of individuals and departments. So management can take these steps and can achieve their target. This is the second question of your NCERT book. A company want to modify its existing product in the market due to decreasing sales. They want to modify their product because sales is decreasing. You can imagine any product about which you are familiar. What decision or steps should each level of management take to give effect to this decision? Now, to give answer of this case study, again answer will not flash on your screen. We will just discuss this question. Now, you have to, in your answer, you have to give what each and every level of management should do for this. Say for example, all the three levels of management. So, definitely you can see modernization is required because sales is decreasing. So, what the top management can do, they can plan for the technique of modernization, and as they are going to improvise their technique, so whatever necessary resources are required, they can organize and assemble those necessary resources. And top level management must coordinate the effort of all the other departments towards modernization. Now we are going to come to the middle level management. What they can do, middle level management must implement the plan made by the top management. In this respect, they must interpret the plan to their subordinates. They must recruit and select necessary employees to carry on this improvised task. They must motivate those who are working toward the accomplishment of task. Then when we are coming to the operational level, what the operational level can do, operational level should, because operational level, the foremen are those who are directly dealing with the workforce. So they must supervise that the task is carried on the right direction. They must maintain the quality of work and reduce wastage. They must make effort to improve the loyalty of workers. So in this manner, all the three, right from top level, middle level and operational level, they can work their part, they can do their part, and organization can achieve its goals. Thank you, students.